Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a card using stunning dies from the new Make It Merry release, so let's get started. First, I'm creating a blended background for my winter chickadee. I start off with a panel of blue cardstock, and then blend Faded Jeans, Uncharted Mariner, Chipped Sapphire, and Black Soot Distress Oxide ink over the cardstock with blending tools. Sometimes I like to use colored cardstock because it's a little easier to get a good blend when you don't have to cover up all the white first, and I like how the Faded Jeans blends out to the natural cardstock color. I blend back and forth between all the colors until I have a really soft transition. Once I'm satisfied with the blend, I let the panel dry completely. Next, I die cut the branches and chickadee from the new Lovely Layers Winter Greenery and Winter Bird sets with colored cardstock. I add a little ink blending to the branches to give them some depth. Since they're detailed and have lots of tiny leaves, I use a sticky mat to hold them in place while I add ink with small blending brushes. The leaves are die cut from Concord 9th Peacock cardstock, and I'm ink blending them with Peacock and Midnight ink. I leave the bird as is with colored cardstock and adhere the different layers together with liquid glue. You could add more shading with ink, but I think the different color cardstocks alone give them enough interest and dimension. I do color his legs with Copic markers in warm gray 7 and 9. Next, I arrange the branches on my blended panel and adhere them with liquid glue. I add drops of glue to the main stem and intersecting points and not the tips of the branches. Then I tuck a piece of scrap paper under the bottom of the branches to protect the card panel. I add a little crystal glaze to the branches and then sprinkle them with Mica flakes, chunky, and prisma glitter. I tap off the excess and then repeat the process with the other branches. I could have done this before adhering the branches, but honestly I didn't think about it until after they were already adhered. It would probably be a little easier to glitter them before adhering, but I'd also be afraid that they might curl a bit as they dried, making it harder to adhere. but I love the sparkle that the mica flakes give the branches, and it really gives them that glittery snow-covered effect. I adhere the bird with foam mounting tape and add a sentiment from Let Nature Sing heat embossed on red cardstock for a pop of holiday color. Off camera, I add a few accents with a white gel pen. I thought that was it for the card, but I ended up deciding that I wanted to add snowy white splatters to the panel. I couldn't remove the bird and sentiment at this point, so I die cut the outline of the bird and sentiment from leftover cardstock and put a little temporary adhesive on the back of the cardstock pieces and placed them over my finished bird and sentiment like a mask. Then I splattered away, and once the paint was dry, I removed the temporary masks I had created. And that's it! You can find more information on the new Make It Merry release and the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!